And here we are again, more makeup. Hair's done, gorgeous again, love it. Coffee, bit cold but fuck it. So as promised, because I purchased this little glitter package, glitter palette, $5.99. So I've got this file with my makeup and more of a bronzy type glitter, this one that I'm going to use. The only thing that I'm finding with this glitter is not that adhesive. But don't go fully down to the inside what will be your eyeliner. Because you'll just put eyeliner there and then you'll just be mashing things up. And I'm just dabbing this on. It's just not possible for this. That's just not going to work. Give it a go and you'll see what I mean. You'll just scrape along and you won't actually leave any of the glitter in the right place. It's all dabbing. In that previous video of mine with the foundation, it's up there with that. It's just dab, 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 dab. And as you can see, I've got a ton of powder under my eyes. To stop the fallout. So you're going to be doing your eyeliner, the inner socket, anything else that you can think of. And the last thing you want is a ton of black dark powder just falling under your eyes where you want it light. So not a good plan. So get that. There we go. Looking very glittery. So let me grab. Okay. Aqua Black. Krylon Aqua Black. What's this? Spit or a little thimbleful of water to get things going. Love the hair, but that was just a bit too close to being in the way. So I've done my eyebrows really big today. So I've got the eyebrows going right out there, so I can go for a full-on wing. On the eyes. wondering how much makeup I've eaten in my time. There you go. It's starting to come along. Now, start. There we go. As you can see now, what will become the inside line of the socket line. Done that with aqua, so then it's nice and defined. Then just straightforward black eyeshadow as I work it out. A little bit of blending going on. What am I doing? Let's get that brush. Just need a smaller brush. There we go. There's just a little bit of iridescent brown, just blending out. She's starting to look nice. Now just a little bit of iridescent white, just to smooth out the top line. This one, as you can see. And then just add a little bit of black back to get some depth. Now you may have noticed I've smudged just a little bit there. Just got to be very careful. Nice wedged. Now it's not too bad. So here's my brush. It's not perfect. Sorry. It's not perfect, but a bit of white foundation. Take it along. So look, not as good as I'd like it. So you know, in these makeup videos, I don't want to be that makeup artist that shows you, oh yeah, I got it right first time through years of practice. I'll still make screw ups, and I'm just trying to show you how to undo those screw ups. So I've just applied a bit of TV white foundation. blend it in. Then a brush that I've used with white before, a little bit of iridescent white. And then go over it. It's all fixed. Now, if you've really messed it up and you've done a proper little line and it's this deep dark line, what I would recommend is you just get a makeup wipe, tear off a makeup wipe remover, tear off a strip, and then just on the back end of a pair of tweezers, so you got the makeup remover, and scrape it along, and you just have to redo that little bit of a section. But it's better than the option of just mashing it out and losing all that fine definition. So what I'm going to do, so you can see the glitters on there and that's blended out. So what I'm going to do now, finish off this other my right eye, stick the eyelashes on. Done videos on that, you don't need to see that again, and then you'll see the finished product. See you in a moment. As you can see, all done. Looking gorgeous, love it. The nails there. Love it. So let's get dressed.